Hey, what's up? It's Ike Paz, and in today's short little guide video, I'm going to show you how to turn printables, the products you sell online, into Pinterest traffic magnets. This is a how-to guide. I want you to stay until the end to get all the free resources, to get every step of this guide, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to duplicate. And like always, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. And if you have any questions, ask them down below in the comments section. Now, the first thing you need is a printable. Okay, here's a printable mask. Here is the pieces of the template for my customers to cut out and put together. And here is the mock-up of the monkey mask, the 3D printable mask that my customers can create when they use these pieces. Okay, so I want to use this image here as part of my Pinterest pin, so that I can get traffic right to my product, so that I can turn my traffic into customers. That's the idea, right? Now the problem is this is PDF, right? And I want to turn this into an image. Now, as for the printable, there's many ways to make a printable. You can use crispy prints. I have a lot of generators here. You can get a printable made off of Fiverr. Okay. There's a lot of vendors here, or you can create one from scratch, okay? Like from right here, right? For example, okay. So once you got your printable, just like this one, just like this product right here, what you want to do is you can go online and search PDF to image, right? PDF to image, and you're gonna get the three biggest free resources out there to turn your PDF to image. Now, when it comes to turning a PDF to an image, I usually go to pdftoimage.com, but you can also go to smallpdf.com/pdf-to-jpg, or you can go to I Love PDF and use their tool. Okay, they all pretty much work the same. Okay, what you want to do now, again, this is really important, right? Because this is how you get traffic to your digital printable products. Okay, what you want to do, very simple. This is step one. You want to drag your product into this little bar right here, and pdftoimage.com, for example, is going to do the rest. You click download all. Okay, this is safe. I've used them 1,000 times. Download all. Okay, and once you do that, you're going to want to open this up. Okay, you can open it up, and I got now I have an image here, which is cool. I have an image here, but the issue with this image is it has a white background. I want to get rid of that. So what I want to do is open up my GIMP. GIMP is a free image tool. It's very much like Photoshop, but 100% free. It's not public domain. It's open source. Let me show you how to get GIMP. Just go to gimp.org. Okay, I refer a lot of people who watch my YouTube channel to this site. A lot of my students, a lot of Crispy Prints members, they know if they want a free way to rip out the background of a image, you can easily do it with GIMP. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Okay, so I got GIMP opened up. I got GIMP opened up like that. I go into the image of my printable. I'm going to slide it on over. Okay, very simple. Now what I want to do is, first thing I want to do is cut away the unnecessary bits, right? All of this white space back here. So what I'm going to do is just simply click on this scalpel little icon here and just create the area that I want to keep. Okay, and then I want to click inside of it, and boom, it's gone. Now, second thing I want to do is go to this little tool called Fuzzy Select. Okay, go to Fuzzy Select. Also, you want to go to Image, Layer, and Transparency. You want to add Alpha Channel. Okay, once again, Layer. Before you do the next procedure, go to Layer, go to Transparency, click Add Alpha Channel. And you want to click inside the space that you don't want, the white space here. Now I clicked inside of it. You can see that there's this little like animated GIF going around the image. I'm going to click delete, and that creates a transparent background. Okay, very simple to do. Now I'm going to save this. This is really important. Check this out. Click export as, and I want to save this as a .png. Okay, because if you do JPEG, it's going to go back to white, the background. So you need PNG. I think that's the only format. Correct me if I'm wrong. That's the only format that can contain the transparent background. Okay, image-wise. So now I have this .png here. Okay, simple stuff. I want to go to Canva. Okay, now when you're creating a Pinterest pin, you can either use a custom size here, and what I recommend for a pin size, I recommend 1,000 pixels by 1,500 pixels. That's what Pinterest likes right now. At the time of making this video, they might change. They have changed in the past. So you want to put that in here, 1,000 by 1,500 pixel. Okay, and click Create New Design. Once you do that, let me bring it back. Once you do that, you're gonna need a background. Okay, let me show you a completed Pinterest pin. Now in this example, you can see I have a pin for a game bundle, printable game bundle for couples, adult couples games. Okay, I have here a very attention-grabbing graphic. I have 10 games plus 3D dice. Excuse me. I have a very minimalist type of background, like a wood, nature, earthy type of background, with some greenery in the corner here. Okay, and as you can see here, my images here, they're elevated. There's like a shadow drop. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do all of this right now. Now the first thing you want to do is source a nice clean background. Okay, like this one. You can go to Pixabay, right? Go to Pixabay and you want to type in white background. If you have a better search term, let me know in the comment section. And you have all of these different backgrounds you can use. Now, the cool thing with Pixabay, I want to say all of their images and also illustrations are free to use without attribution required. That means you don't have to, write in someone's name or someone's company, and you're free to use them commercially. Check this out. If I pop into this one right here, this crumpled up background here, you can see right here, Pixabay license free for commercial use, no attribution required. Very important. Okay, so let's say you get the background you want, you download it, whatever image you like, doesn't really matter, download it. Okay, and you're gonna of course find it on your site here. Actually, I'm gonna take this 3D monkey mask and just drag it into my Canva, just like that. Right now, what I want to do is I want to also add the background that I got from Pixabay, that I downloaded for Pixabay, and I want to click on it. Okay, and I want to move it around to whatever I find aesthetically pleasing. I'm going to increase the size. Don't be afraid to go over the boundary like that, right? And now I have my background, nice and easy. Now I'm going to take my monkey mask, right? This is the star of the show. This is what gets people. And of course, every product I create, be it my own product, be it a product that I want to promote, or whatever the case is, I want to make sure people are actually looking for this, right? So I know there's a market for cardboard printable 3D mask. I know there is. I've done the research. I've used my keyword tool. I've gone through Google Trends. I've seen similar masks on Etsy, so I know these types of products sell. I've sold these other animal masks in the past, so I'm also going to sell this monkey mask. Really important, guys. Whatever the case may be, make sure people want what you have. Really important. And now Google, the internet makes it easy for any of us to find out what people want. Okay, really cool stuff. Okay, so I'm going to center this, right? Now again, Pinterest likes this vertical style type of image. They just do, okay? And now you want to put some text, right? So you want to put some exciting text. So here we go to text right here. And we can add a font like that. Now when it comes to Pinterest, you can use any type of font. It doesn't have to be public domain. It can be open source. It can be copyright, because you're not selling anything. You're just adding this on the Pinterest. Okay. When it comes to your products, either make sure you own the actual font, or you're using open source or public domain font. Okay, really important to remember. Okay, since it's Pinterest, it doesn't really matter. Okay, now you want to find the font that you like. I'm gonna go with Poppins Bold. Okay, and I'm gonna put in 3D, and this is where you want to use your keyword, right? Let's say, for example, I'm not gonna give away the actual keyword for this type of mask because, well, that's money. Okay, so I urge you to use the keywords that people are searching for. That creates wealth. Okay, that creates money for you. Okay, well, I'm not guaranteeing anything to you, but to me, keywords equal profit. Simple as that. I don't care if I'm getting free traffic off of Pinterest or YouTube, or if I'm paying for ads on Amazon KDP or on Google PPC. Keywords equals profit. Keywords are real estate. That's the virtual real estate, right? If people who are interested in that keyword are finding you, be it via free or paid traffic, there's a higher likelihood that they're going to click on through and buy or get what you have, right? Really important to remember. So I'm going to put in 3D. Let's put in here cardboard. And I'm going to increase the size on this font. Make it nice and big. Okay. And I'm going to duplicate that. And I'm going to change the font. Let's go with Dancing Script. Make that bold. 3D cardboard monkey mask. Okay, very nice. Increase that. I'm gonna put in an arrow. I'm gonna go to the elements section. I like this one here. And I'm gonna color this arrow. Let's go with red. And one of the cool features about Canva, again, I just use the free version. They'll take whatever image you have on display here, and they'll give you the color palette, which is awesome. I'm gonna click on that red, move it around to my liking, bring it up, maybe shrink it a bit. Now, but there's a lot of empty spaces you can see here, which is not cool. I want to make sure that I take up this real estate down here with something catchy, excuse me, something like a call to action, a CTA. Now, again, in this graphic here, so I'm gonna take that, I'm gonna duplicate that. I'm gonna add that right here. Maybe increase it to size. And I'm gonna change, actually I don't need that dice in here. I'm gonna change this into level. Now the type of mask I'm selling here is at an easy level. Anyone with a pair of scissors, a printer, and some cardboard can create this monkey mask within an hour. That's considered easy within this niche. So I want to put in big, bold letters. Actually, I'm going to put in Poppins Bold Good. Level. And I'm going to increase that. So make sure it's nice and big. Okay. And I'm going to make that, actually keep it at that. And I'm going to duplicate that. I'm going to use Dancing Script and write easy. Maybe increase the size of that. Like that. And make that white. Okay, cool. So we have 3D cardboard monkey mask. Boom. Level easy. So this is not a call to action. What you can also do here is put in your domain here. That's what I like to do. I'm not showing the domain for this particular niche because, well, I want to keep that private. But if you're a Crispy Prints member, then you probably already know. Anyways, yeah. So 3D cardboard monkey mask. You should have a CTA. Okay, let me fix this. I need a CTA. Okay. So I'm gonna take this, duplicate that, and put in get it today. And shrink that up. And I'm gonna use that for my arrow actually. move that around. Get it today. Okay. Now this, of course, might entice people on Pinterest to click on through, which will lead to your either your Etsy listing or the listing on your actual e-com site, whichever works, right? And as for this sales type of graphic here, I'm gonna use this red. Okay. And another thing I want to do is I want to lift the mask. I'm going to go to Edit Image, and I'm going to, excuse me, actually go back. Shadows. I'm going to use this drop shadow here. Boom, that looks nice. Okay, just like that. Okay, there you go. That's how you create a Pinterest image, right? A Pinterest pin. Now you want to download this as a PNG. Download the image you want. Download it and then add it to your Pinterest, right? Pinterest. Before I continue with this video, I want to quickly put the winner of last week's competition on screen now. So if you see your screen name, please contact me with the contact information on the back end of this YouTube channel. And if you want to try and get my pin keyword finder tool, it's a private Chrome tool that I had developed for myself. If you want it, you can also like, comment, and subscribe below. And I'm going to announce the winners for that. I'm going to choose 3 winners this time to get that piece of software. So let's finish this video. So you add it to your Pinterest. You put in the proper SEO. I have videos on that. I'll make sure to link to one down below. And there you go. That's how you create a Pinterest pin from a printable, a product that you're selling online. Guys, I've been doing this for over 8 years now. If you're looking for a relatively easy way to earn online, I highly recommend you start selling printables. Again, it's not rocket science. It might take a little while to get going, but it's easy. And you know, I've helped a lot with Crispy Prints. This helps, or I should say, this cuts the time more than half, in my opinion. Okay, so there you go. That's how you create a Pinterest pin with your printable. Take care, be good, have a wonderful day, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, let me know down below. Be good. Ciao.